Hey flower lovers, welcome back to New Mexico Flower Company. I wanted to share a bit more information about tulips and the care and handling of fresh flower arrangements. So this beautiful tulip design has been on my kitchen table for a little over a week now. Wow, that's so amazing. We get to enjoy flowers for that long. A few things that you can do once you get your New Mexico Flower Company arrangement and have been enjoying it is to remove any blooms that may be a little past their prime. So I would say this guy looks like the petals are starting to fall, so we're just going to gently wiggle that out of there. It allows some of the other flowers to continue to drink and have lots of room to breathe. And just continue to be beautiful. The other thing that we recommend is that you change the water every 2 to 3 days, or if the flowers are really thirsty, you can add water to make sure they don't run out, because they certainly love to drink and that also keeps them very happy. Now you can see these tulips are kind of long, and we wanted to talk about the fact that tulips are what we call phototropic, meaning they follow the light. And since they are a bulb flower, they do continue to grow once they have been cut. So these little guys are just enjoying the sun, moving as they will, continuing to grow and move through the arrangement. So just a fun little fact about tulips. If you also get a New Mexico Flower Company arrangement, you'll get one of our fun little cards. And on the back, there's some additional care instructions. If you forget, there they are. You can scan the code, of course, give us a call, send us an email. Let us know if you have flower questions, because we love to answer any and all things flower. Thanks for tuning in. We hope to see you again soon here at New Mexico Flower Company.